Hello everyone, let's see how you can deposit money in your Alpari account by using Alpari app. Choose the Alpari app and here it goes, your profile. Click the green transactions button and choose make a deposit option. And on the next screen we can see deposit and withdrawal of funds steps. The first steps, we should choose the transfer type. This is deposit funds, and choose a transfer from. Here we have different options such as bank transfer, bank cards, online payment systems. The most useful one is bank cards and Visa. We can choose this one, and transfer currency. This is USD. Transfer to. Choose your USD account in Alpari Invest system. Tap continue. And on the next screen we need to choose transfer amount. We would like to deposit 100 USD, 100 American dollars. Tap I have read the disclaimer, read it of course, and tap continue. Confirm data, and if it's all correct, continue again. And on the next screen, the last step, we need to fulfill the card data. Check it out, and after that click the green pay button. You'll get a confirmation on your email that your request has been executed. Good luck and see you in the next video.